Hello everybody, you gotta admit that was an awesome intro right there. We are here doing Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm Revelations, and I am so glad to be able to do this for you. I also would like to admit to tell you guys that we will be able to make slightly longer videos, not a lot longer, but slightly longer, so I could at least see most of my videos being 15-minute videos because I have come to a revelation about certain things in my phone. Anyway, so with this game, I actually already did a playthrough once of the entire tournament stage, but for you guys, we're gonna do it again, which I do not mind doing. I have not done the Mecha Naruto story. That is something I have not done, so you'll get to guys. Well, I'll do that with you guys. I'll do that with you guys. That'll be one of the things I'll do. I'll do the ninja escapades, and then we'll go from there. So we're gonna go ahead and start a new game. Yes, we will start over with this. My first playthrough I used Kakashi because Kakashi is personally my favorite. Kakashi's been my favorite in Naruto for like ever. So I was thinking that this time for this I will use Minato.
Many ask the question, who is the greatest of all?
Who is the greatest of all? It's probably being counted on my screen.
We will be holding a battle tournament. Those proclaiming to be the greatest, prove yourselves at the Ninja World Tournament.
Yeah.
The answer will be made clear, and the greatest will be revealed.
Cool. Alright, so this video is going to be dedicated to my friend Adarah, because I had not dedicated a video to her yet. I was going to dedicate a review I was going to do a while ago, but then my Xbox broke, so I couldn't do it. Anyway, so here we are with our list of characters here. Like I said, I think we're going to go ahead and do Minato. We'll do this one. Or should we do this one? I like this one too. It's so difficult to choose though. I don't know. Who should I use? You know what? We'll go with this one. Why not? Minato. Yeah. You know how my camera is. You know it's not always perfect, but hey, I'm trying here. Welcome to Festival Island, home of the Ninja World Tournament. Here the strongest from around the world gather to determine the greatest of them all. You are also one destined to fight here. I wish for your best as... so as not to have any regrets. Now then, let's get started. Or so I want to say, but you will need to first register yourself in a rank best fit for you. Now, let's see now. I see you're still new to the tournament. So you will need to start from the D rank of the tournament. You can find the receptionist for the D rank towards the east of Festival Beach. Sorry, I'm tired slightly. Over there is where you can find yourself registered for participation. I'm also dyslexic, so give me a break. Once you've done, you will be ready to make your debut in the tournament. Note that the tournament battle rules are a bit special, so please learn the rules while you are in the D rank. Good idea. Now all you need to say, let's get things going here. Oh god damn it, stop yawning. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Yes, good luck to you. We'll be looking forward to your matches. Damn, that took a lot longer than I remembered. You guys gotta forgive me. Let me know if you want me to read it or not. If you guys don't want me to, that's fine. But I will occasionally struggle with certain words. Not because I can't read. I mean, I can read. I just graduated high school. I would hope I can read. It's just that I am dyslexic. So my reading skills vary. I can read just fine. It's just occasionally I will flip my words and read them backwards. And it is a pain to do that. But everything reset itself now, which is fine by me. Well, you there, it looks like you're the you're the first time in the tournament. Do you mind coming here for a second? Sure, what do you want? I am one of the rule monitors for this tournament. My job is to go around and explain to the participants the many rules of the tournament. First off, tournament has a number of battle styles here. Please take a look at this. Yeah, I already know how this works. I'm sure these are a lot to remember, but just try it out for yourself during the tournament. As they say, you'll learn faster through experience. I'm sure you will learn all that is needed very quickly. And I'm sure I did. One more thing. If you're wished to redo your registration for the tournament, basically it's just telling me to go back to that chick. And I can change a new character, but it'll start me over from the beginning, which I don't care about. We're sticking with Minato for the D rank. Actually, you know what? We'll jump back and forth. I will do the D rank with Minato, and then as I go up, I'll switch to the other Minato. Yep, main story. I got it. You guys can pause that if you wanted to read it. D rank reception, newcomer. Yeah, I am ready. Oh my god. Complete. Preliminaries. There's time for qualifying, da 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 da. Sorry, I'm like part-tired. I'm half tired, so I'm not gonna sit there and read all of it like I was a minute ago. We're ready to go. Yes! Understood. Yes, we're ready to start. I will win. I know I will. Oh my god. It's so pretty. I love Naruto games. They are always so freaking cool. Yes, Minato in the house. The one that was brought back from the dead too, so I'm coming for all y'all. This is gonna be fun. I am ready for battle. There's no need to edit the ninja tools. I'm fine. So, let's do this. Minato is ready for battle.
Let the battle begin!
Kinda hard. Woo! Yeah! Might as well go after that one. I like to try to wipe somebody out the game right off the bat, just to save time and effort. Ah, yeah. Ah, you moved. Where's the other guy? Come here. If I can't wipe him out the game, then I will just have to go all out here. Oh, get out of here, sir. I'm not done with you yet. Yeah! On top, your head. Gotta watch the head, sir. Sing on. He's out. So the next highest aside for me is 350. That was not bad at all. I am fairly satisfied with that, actually. Not bad, not bad. We got past the qualifying round. That's pretty good. Very satisfied with that, very satisfied. Ah, S rank worthy. That is beautiful. Very beautiful right there. Yeah. Got my S rank. y'all heard the vibration. You guys know what that means very well. So, you know what, just to, I guess we will not reach a 15-minute video. I was deceived. My phone played tricks on me, I'm sorry. Anyway, I gotta admit, a 12-minute video even was pretty good. This is not even 12 minutes, still 11. Anyway, but it'll be 12 minutes to shoot anyway. Congratulations on passing the preliminary tryouts. Now you have been officially recognized to attend the preliminaries.
Okay, so
I'd like to go over some rules in the tournament, but the basic rules do not change from the tryouts you've cleared. Whomever collects the most battle orbs wins, but the battle from here are mostly based on team battles. This will already be introduced from the D rank matches, hence you will need to look for others to join your team. Those who agree with you can be selected from the beginning, but others may need more convincing to participate. But if you can have some notables join your chances of winning will surely increase. In other words, generally difficulty, basically find teammates. There is still some time left for the tournament. I suggest you go look for potential team members. Please prepare yourself. Preliminary, gotcha. Yeah, we know how that works. Anyway, so we're gonna call it end of this video before it shuts off on us.